Look, I'm just trying to say that all I wanted to do was to make sure that you got there on time!
I'm tired of this shit!
I don't care what you think!
Get out! Get out!
Sick of this shit!
I'm gonna call the police!
What
What are you doing? Get out!
Mixing on a bit of bacon.
Oh, cook it yourself. This isn't a hotel. I'm expecting great things tonight. Where have you booked us a table?
Bookers is shut tonight, love. It's Tuesday.
What? Not the bloody bookies. I'm in for our anniversary.
Yeah. Oh, bollocks. All right. Well, you're on your way. Right. I'll see you outside. Hey! Oi! Hey! Stop fiddling with your bum fluff and open the door! Still not opening, is it?
Right from the inside.
Oi! Why do you have Shylock's anyway? It's not like as if you have a wife and kids. Or a girlfriend. No. So what do we know about this one then?
Not a lot. He was only called in this morning.
Oh, you are fucking kidding me!
What?
Lift is broken. What floor are we on?
20th.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Ah, Steve.
Morning, sirs.
What we got?
Looks like a dead body, Sarge.
Thanks for that, Steve. Go for it.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, Jesus Christ. What? Verdict?
Well, she's been strangled. Oh, for fuck's sake, someone's been chewing at her arm.
Oh, that'll be the dog, sir.
Get that cleaned up, will you, Steve?
What about the dog, sir?
I don't know. I suppose it's evidence. Give it here. Oi, Pukey. Come on. Thanks. So, do you fancy a pint tonight?
What about your anniversary?
No,
You daft twat.
she's gonna kill me.
What are you gonna get her?
I don't know.